Okay, so I just unboxed my first package from Sweetie Nail Supply. Here is a heart film that I ordered. And then this should be my dino nails. Woo, I'm so excited. Okay. So I've got a green, a purple, a blue, a white, a gray looking taupe color, and then a pink. And it looks like that's all that came with it. It's got a nice little box with a separator in it. Okay. And then my next one is the Valla Chewit. And so it comes with peach pop, carrot pop, lime pop, berry pop, fruits pop, candy pop, and unicorn pop. And so it looks like I can actually make it into a little stand. Let me see how I can get this out. Okay. So here is peach pop. Carrot pop. Berry and lime pop. Fruits pop. Unicorn pop. And candy pop.